All right, this is the 21V cordless electric leaf blower. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It came packaged great. You can see me unboxing it over here and also show some video of me using it to blow out my yard. Inside the package, you are going to get the leaf blower itself, some easy to read instructions, tell you everything you need to know. You're gonna get two separate tube sections that kind of snap together right here. Once you snap this one on, it may take a little effort to get it off. No problem at all on this one. I can take this one on and off without much effort. You're going to get a 2-prong plug charger with a cable that's about 6 feet long. I like that. And you are going to get two 21V, 2000 milliamp rechargeable batteries. There's a little button on the back of the battery here you can press to see how much charge you have left in it. You can see I've been using this one. I've still got 2 bars left out of 3. It also lights up when you press the battery release button as well. So it's going to light up when you put it on and off the machine. Charging the battery is pretty easy. It just slides into place. And you can see that while it's charging, there's a red light that lights up. And when it's done, it turns green, usually in about an hour. And then you give the battery a few minutes to rest after charging and you're good to go. When you are ready to use the machine, the battery just slides on like this, snap it into place, ready to go. Press the release button to move it. Easy. So the unit and motor section right here is made out of a hard plastic. We have a nice ergonomic feeling rubber grip on here. Actually feels pretty good. Disassembled, it's about 17 inches long by 7 inches this way by about 7 inches this way. And with the tube assembled on there, we're looking at about 36 inches long. And it is super lightweight. We're looking at 2.7 pounds without the battery on it and about 3.7 pounds with the battery on it. That makes it really easy to handle. I like that. As far as usage goes, you got 2 buttons on top. You have on, off, speed 1 and speed 2, which they say runs at about 18,000 RPMs. You can expect to get about 20 minutes of nonstop usage on the high speed and about 30 minutes of usage time on the low speed. In the video over here, you can see me pushing the leaves through my yard. It is pretty wet out this time of the year, and I was able to move most of them on the first pass. My yard's half surrounded by cedar trees, and I had no issues pushing them around, though in the section of my flower bed over here, it has a lot of ground cover, so it's gonna take a few passes to push them out. That's fine. The machine is super lightweight enough that I can, easily lift it over my head without any effort at all, so I can blow the cedar mess off the top of my shed over here, which I do because I've got a metal shed up there and I don't want, the stuff sitting on top of there and creating rust. I have this old Black & Decker leaf blower that I've been using for years and it still works great. But I can feel right away that this one has slightly better blowing power on it. With the newer batteries, I should be able to get more usage out of it before having to charge the battery again, which I like. So there you go, lightweight, easy to use cordless leaf blower that is perfect for my townhome backyard. Works great on patios, porches, sidewalks, driveways, top of the shed, wherever you want. Very nice.